This one system makes me around $50,000 per month, and it can do the same for you as well. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Rob. For those of you who do know me, I'm still Rob. I've been doing this for 34 years. It's Coffee with Rob, and then I'm going to tell you how to do this in this video. I'm not going to show you any charts today. We're not going to go to the charts. We always go to the charts. You don't need to go to the charts. You've been to the charts a million times. In fact, you've done a demo, you've done a course, and you've done all these fancy things that show you how to make money. You've probably got some system in the background that's working for you or not working for you. You're using moving average crossover. Maybe you're using Fibonacci. Maybe you're using Ichimoku. Maybe you're using average true range. I don't know. Do you have volume on your chart? I bet you've got volume on your chart. You've got all these indicators that you've been searching out, and you've added them all onto your chart. In fact, your chart is probably a mishmash, and you've probably got a million monitors all over the wall. You think you're Bloomberg, you think you're CNBC, you think you're one of these people that's got all this information at your hands. You create spreadsheets because you get bored. You drop to lower time frames to try and improve your boredom and make things a little bit better for you. But you're still not making money. You're still losing money, and you're still losing money hand over fist, and wondering why that is. Why can't I make a profit in the market? Well, I'm going to show you today exactly how you can actually make a profit in the market and the best way to do it. I make my calls on a regular basis on the posts on YouTube. And if you haven't seen it before and you don't know how to get to posts come up on the big screen usually, or they tell you up front, there's a post or whatever the case, you can read them. It's just like Facebook. But if you don't know how to find it, go to my channel, Rob's Logical Trading, and you'll see on there videos, shorts, live, all that. Just go to the posts and you'll find all the posts there. Every day I make my calls and I post them there. But I post them there for the members. So you're going to have to join the members area to get to that. And also while you're here, subscribe and enjoy yourself and watch all the free stuff, because I put it out all the time and on a regular basis. Join us for the live shows every Tuesday and Thursday as well. I'm going to tell you in this video how to make money with this system, with this actual strategy, the actual one that's going to make you the money, rather than all these charts. You see, I know you've been and you've looked at win rates and you've thought win rates are going to make me money. The first thing a trader thinks when they get into the market is, I know, a win rate. I need a win rate. I need to make more. I need to win more trades, because if I win more trades, then I'm going to have a profit, aren't I? No, that's not what's going to happen. What's actually going to happen is you're going to take 10 trades, you're going to win 8 trades, and you're going to win $80 because you scalped them all. You didn't actually follow the plan properly. And then you're going to have $80 and you're going to think you're the best trader in the world. And on the 9th trade, you're going to lose $900 and think, oh no, that puts me in a loss. What happened? Well, what happened was you believed in charts. You believed in squiggly lines. You believed in candles. You thought this was what's going to make you money, because that's what they taught you. They taught you that all you need is this little charting system, and this little charting system is going to make you rich. And if you just follow all these little candles and all these little wicks, and you just trade up willy-nilly, then you're going to make a profit. They didn't tell you that you actually need a plan. They didn't tell you that trading is actually 50-50, that every single time you click that button, you got a chance of losing, and every single time you click that button, guess what? You have a chance of winning. Would you believe that? No, most people don't. Most people think I'm talking through a hole in my head. But just think about this for a moment. Here you are thinking that you can actually beat the market. Here you are thinking that you can actually take trades based on some probability and some system, knowing that 75% of traders lose money on a regular basis on 4-hour trading and on day trading. You know this, yet you somehow believe that you're going to beat the market, that you're going to be part of the 25%. Think about this. The 25% that are actually winning are actually, half of them are only breaking even. They're not even winning. They're just staying in the game. That narrows it down to around 12.5% of people that are actually making some money in the market. Some money. There's a very small percentage that are making big money. Now, to make big money, you have to risk big. In other words, the more you risk, the more you make. If you don't risk it, you ain't going to make it. You can grow an account. Of course you can. It's like an investment account. You put money in investment, you leave it there forever. It's going to grow, isn't it? So if you want to just grow your money, if you just want to grow and slowly build up your wealth, there's many ways that you can do that. And of course you can do that in the markets as well. But if you want to make money properly, you're going to have to risk money properly to make that money. I'm going to show you now how you can actually take a strategy and actually make a profit in the market, because I know you're struggling, I know you're losing, I know you're taking trades and you're thinking, why can't I win? Why does it always go wrong? When they showed me this, and they showed me this system that I've got, this Fibonacci, and they showed me how to take the trades, I was winning all the trades and it was really easy. And now I'm struggling to make money. If you don't believe that trading is 50-50 and you believe that a win rate's going to make you money, then why is it that you lose money on a win rate? Interesting, isn't it? The 50-50 principle is this. If you take 10 trades, you lose 5. You lose $5,000. But on the 5 winning trades, you win more and you win $10,000. That leaves you with a $5,000 profit. How do you achieve that? Well, it's simple. You have to make more on your wins, lose less on your losses. This is the basis of my trading system. Make more on your wins, lose less on your losses. But the big thing here is risk management. The most important part of your trading system is risk management. And how do you manage your risk? The best way to do it is to keep your risk the same on every single trade. Because if you do not keep your risk the same on every single trade, then you don't know how much you're losing, and you also don't know how much you're winning. Now, what do I mean by that? If I risk $1,000 per trade, I know that I'm losing $1,000 per trade. If I suddenly risk $5,000 on another trade, then clearly I've lost $5,000 on that trade if I lose it, which means I've just cleaned out 5 of my trades completely. In other words, I risked 5 trades in one. I'm messing up my entire business plan by simply changing the amount on one trade. But if I keep the risk the same on all my trades based on my account, then I will understand how much my losses are going to be. And on top of that, I'm going to understand that I'm going to make more on my wins, and therefore I'm going to have a winning system or strategy. If you have more on your wins, then over the period of those 10 trades, you're going to make a profit. Even if you only win 3 or 4 of the trades, you by now probably realized that you're losing more trades than you're winning, or at least losing half your trades. If you haven't realized that, then you're not trading properly. You're scalping, but you're probably still in a loss. You might be winning more trades than you're losing, but you find yourself still in a loss. And you think to yourself, how is that even possible? And it's because you're not doing what the pros are doing. You see, the secret to the small percentage of traders that are winning is this. They don't worry about the system. They don't worry about the charts. They worry about the profit. How much profit am I making? That's what they worry about. How much am I taking home at the end of the day? Am I making more money than I'm losing? Once you get that through your head, and you understand that you're going to take losses, then the amount that you're risking doesn't make that much difference. To make more money, you have to risk more money. But if you understand that you're going to lose half your trades, then risking more money no longer matters. Because whether you're risking $5 or whether you're risking $50,000, it's still going to work out the same at the end of the day if you win more on your wins. And if you come out at the end of the day with a bigger win than a loss. Does that make sense to you? I hope so. It's like tossing a coin 10 times. It'll land on tails 5 times. It'll land on heads 5 times. If it lands on heads 5 times and I tell you get 1 for it, and it lands on tails 5 times and I tell you get 2 for each one there, everyone will take tails. And it applies the same to trading.
Trading is risky. If you don't like risk and you don't like losing money, don't trade.
All you got to do is follow your winners and dump your losses early. So if it goes into a loss and it starts heading to the stop loss, the number 1 rule is don't move your stop loss. Number 2 rule is try and get out as soon as you can if it looks like it's going pear-shaped. Put your stop loss in an area where the trade is invalid. Here's the thing. Keep your loss the same on every single trade. Then, how do I determine my stop loss? Look at the trade and look at where the trade would be completely invalid. In other words, if the trade gets there, you don't want to be in the trade. That's where you want your stop loss. Work out the size of your trade down to that stop loss. How big's my trade going to be? And then work out if you can make more on the win than you're going to lose on your loss. Because it's a form of insanity to be targeting a smaller win than what you're risking. You want to be making a bigger win and risking a smaller amount. This way, if you win 10 trades, or if you have 10 trades and you lose 5 of them, the 5 that you win will make you a profit because you'll be making more on the profits, losing less on the losses. Follow your wins. Move your stop loss up behind them. Try and push them as hard as possible. Don't just click out of your wins. Don't click out of your wins when they're small amounts. Click out of your wins when they're big amounts. Click out of your losses when they're small amounts. Stop betting on your losses, stop hanging on your losses, and stop hanging on your wins. And then you'll start making that 50K. You know how easy it is to make that? It's simple. If you know that the losses are not going to bother you, you know you're going to take losses, then you can risk any amount of money that you want. You can risk huge gargantuan sums of money if you have it. You've got to have the money to risk. And if you can risk it. And then if you lose one, you'll win the next one. The sad thing about trading is confidence. You're going to have a struggle with confidence, and you're going to have a struggle with fear. And the fear is the big thing that you've got to get over. Also the fear of missing out and patience. It's not easy. I understand that. And that's why you're losing. That's why you're struggling. You're not struggling because of the charting system that you learned. You're not struggling because of the candles. You're struggling because of fear. You're struggling because of FOMO. And once you get over that, and once you understand that your losses are negated no matter what you do, then it doesn't matter what size the trade is. Take the trading risk size according to how much you can handle and how much you feel comfortable with, until such time as you understand that you have actually found a way to win, then you are making more on your wins and you are doing the right thing. And then you can start increasing your risk size so that your profit size will start making you more money. Make sure you join us for the live shows every Tuesday and Thursday. Make sure you've joined the members area so that you can get those trades every single day and the trade research, the trade of the day. And make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of these fantastic videos. Well, hopefully they're fantastic and not that bad. Thanks for watching. Till the next one, enjoy, make lots of money. Cheers, ciao, and bye.